Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to send Litecoin from Gemini to your Arculus wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your Litecoin holdings to a more secure spot, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to handle this transfer smoothly and avoid common pitfalls. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Arculus. Gemini is your exchange platform, and Arculus is your hardware wallet for safer storage. Start by logging into your Gemini account on their website or app. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find your Litecoin balance. It's usually under the Assets or Wallets section. Double-check that you have enough Litecoin to cover any network fees. Next, head over to the Withdrawal or Transfer section. Select Litecoin from the drop-down menu. Now, you'll need your Arculus wallet address. Open your Arculus app or device, generate a new receiving address for Litecoin, and copy it carefully. Always double-check for accuracy to prevent lost funds. Paste this address into the To field on Gemini. Enter the amount you want to send, review the transaction details, including fees, and hit Confirm. Gemini might require two-factor authentication here, so have that ready. After initiating the transfer, you'll get a confirmation email or notification. The transaction could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Remember, blockchain tech evolves, so keep an eye on updates. Once it's done, check your Arculus wallet to ensure the Litecoin has arrived. A few pro tips. Always start with a small test amount to verify everything works. Be aware of current gas fees for Litecoin transactions, as they can fluctuate. And if you run into issues, Gemini's support or Arculus resources are great for troubleshooting. There you have it. That's how you securely send Litecoin from Gemini to Arculus in 2025. Give it a try and take control of your crypto journey. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.